Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install system software update. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, go to settings, search settings icon from top right corner. Then go to network. Make sure that PS5 has been connected to Wi-Fi network. You can see I already connected to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. After that, go back. Then go down, select system. Under system, select system software, then go to system software update and settings, then select update system software. You can see update available. Here we have to select update using internet. See, here you can see the update, one update available. Select update button. See, now it's downloading the update file. So please wait. You can see the size of this update file is 1.190 GB. So now it's downloading. Please wait. See, download process has been completed. Now it's preparing to install. See, now it's restarting PS5. Please wait. Now it's installing update file. Okay, installation completed. Now it's again restarting. Okay, done. So this way we can download and install system software update in PS5. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.